Hello viewers, we are here with welcome having a new session on math pattern. We will discuss a new example of math pattern. The example is of not very tough level. It is just to understand the logic behind pattern questions. Then you can solve at your level any type of question just by thinking the pattern established in numbers. For example, I am drawing a pattern. So this is an example. You can experience the designing of the pattern also. So don't think up to the solving the examples or solving the questions, but also think about the one step ago, that is framing of the question. You have to frame yourself the questions, and that will be very easy to beat in the competitions, to get maximum score in the competitions. Suppose I think in my mind any pattern. Suppose here I write 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. I am writing these numbers, already thought any pattern of numbers in my mind. You have to crack that. That is the solution. Six, what will be the number here? Now you have to crack the pattern, what I have thought, what I have made it secret in these numbers. The pattern will follow all the rows. That pattern. Here is 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. This is 3. What we have to calculate? The number in last square. 2, 3, 6, 21. No any pattern. So what I have to do is, I have to see first this pattern. What is the pattern in horizontal row? This is 2, 4, the relation, it is 2 times. It is 2 times of previous number. It is 2 times of previous number. It is 2 times of previous number. Okay. You can write in this way. This is here 3. How it comes 3? Now it seems that 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 divided by 2 is 6. 6 plus 36 divided by 2 is 21. What will be the number? By this pattern you can calculate the number by adding these two numbers and dividing it by 2. This is 441 plus 21, 2, 6, 4 divided by 2, it will be 231. Suppose here it comes 231, but you have to cross check also whether it is correct or not by following the pattern in the rows. Now here 3 times, here it was 4 is 2 times of previous number, 8 is 2 times of previous number, 16 is 2 times, 13 is 2 times of previous number. Okay, here that pattern is there or not? 9 is not the 2 times of previous number, 27 is not this, then that pattern is not correct. Then what we have to think? Suppose it can be written as 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5. It's okay. 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 4 is 16, 2 raised to power 5 is 32. Can we write like this in next row also? It is 3. 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 4. Now it's okay. 3 raised to power 1 is 3, 3 raised to power 2 is 9, 3 raised to power 3 27, 3 raised to power 4 is 81. No problem. Now what about 6? 6 raised to power 1, 6 raised to power 2, 6 raised to power 3. It also follows that rule. Now it's 21. 21 raised to power 1, 21 raised to power 2. What is the square of 21? You can see it. 441. Okay. So what will be this number here? There is no any number next to this previous number. So this is a absolute number here. But this will follow the pattern of this one. 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 divided by 2 is 6. 6 plus 36 divided by 2 21. 21 plus 4 41. This one 460 divided by 2 is 231. So your answer is correct, 231. This is the answer. You can make so many questions like this. But please be sure about the pattern, then only write the answer. You can repeat it. That pattern follows in the row. Power 1, power 2, power 3, 4, 5. The power of first number, the power of first number, the power of first number, power of first number. Like that. It is okay. So thank you and wish you all the best to join this. Please practice it and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it. Thank you.